Here's how to get started with the Allstate Drivewise app for safer driving and potential savings. Begin by downloading the Allstate Drivewise app from your device's app store. Simply search for Allstate Drivewise. After downloading, open the app and log in. Use your existing Allstate online account credentials for access. If you don't have an Allstate online account, you'll need to create one by following the on-screen instructions to set up your login details. Once logged in, the app will request permissions. These are essential for Drivewise to accurately monitor your driving habits. You'll need to grant access to your location to enable driving detection. Enabling background app refresh ensures continuous tracking. The app will then ask you to verify your vehicle details. This step is vital for accurate data on your mileage and driving style. Lastly, review the program's details and terms. Once you agree, your Drivewise app is configured and ready to reward your safe driving habits. Remember to keep the app installed and carry your phone while driving to gain the most valuable insights and savings.